ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮೋ 724th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ Aranya Parvam, 10th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Maitreya Maharshi saying to Dhritarashtra Maharaju like this, O Dhritarashtra, while I am doing Tirtha Yatra, I came to this country, and also on my way in Kamyaka Vanam, Yadruchaya Dharmarajam Drushtavan Kamyake Vane. While coming to this country in Kamyaka Vanam, I also happened to see Dharmaraju. How is he looking? Tam Jata Jina Samvitam Tapovana Nivasinam. He is wearing Jata Jutas. And to see Dharmaraju, there are so many great Maharshis. The groups of Munis came to see Dharmaraju over there. And I also heard about all the bad things that all your sons have done. I heard there happened such a huge Judam, gambling. Oh Raja, that gambling is now bringing such a huge fear to everyone. So from there, in order to see you all, I came here. I always like you. I am always willing to help you, and I always wish the best for you. O Raja, while you and Bhishma are alive, how come these things happened in your assembly? How did you let all these things happen? If you really want to control, yes, you are able to control everyone. But you are not doing that. You are just being reluctant and letting things happen. That is why you are losing your respect. Like that, while Maitreya Maharshi talking to Dhritarashtra Maharaju, he also turned towards Duryodhana, who is standing over there with so much of restlessness. Impatiently he is standing there. And Maitreya saying to Duryodhana like this, Duryodhana Mahabaho Nibodha Vadatamvara. Ho Duryodhana, ho the great one, ho the one who can talk very nicely. Now whatever that I am going to tell you, please listen to it carefully and try to understand. Ho Raja, ho Duryodhana, Madruhaha Pandavan. Please do not cause any harm to Pandavas. Do not cheat Pandavas. Whatever that it is good for you and for Pandavas, for Kauravas, for the entire kingdom, that is what you have to do. Like that, Maitreya Maharshi talking to Duryodhana. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Srimanarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.